Hey everyone, it's the Dockman here, and today I'm showcasing the Great Lakes Lift Modular Gangway. This is a robust aluminum-built bridge manufactured right here in Michigan, designed to connect shorelines to all types of docks, including floating, seawalls, and permanent pier systems. The possibilities really expand with this product, which is built for municipalities, marinas, and installers alike, thanks to its modular, adaptable design. Let's take a closer look. From a dealer's perspective, one of the biggest advantages of this system is shipping and installation. Traditional gangways longer than 20 feet can be heavy, expensive to transport, and often require special equipment to unload. With Great Lakes Lift's modular design, gangways ship in lightweight sections that are easy to move and assemble right on site. No cranes, no skid loaders, or large crews required. Another huge advantage is its serviceability. With one-piece welded gangways, damage from a falling branch or vandalism usually means replacing the entire structure, a costly and time-consuming fix. Great Lakes' modular system allows you to simply swap out a single section, keeping maintenance affordable and downtime minimal. This modularity also adds flexibility. Water levels change, site plans evolve, and sometimes projects get relocated. With Great Lakes Lift, you're never locked into one configuration. You can easily add or remove sections to adjust the length as conditions change. The adaptability has made it a favorite among municipality and park systems, as it keeps the projects alive with options when plans change. The system also features universal end caps that connect seamlessly to concrete, steel, or wooden seawalls, as well as floating docks. Great Lakes Lift provides hinge plates, rollers, and ADA-compliant transition plates for smooth, accessible connections. Getting more people access to the water is part of our company's mission. For more on the importance of recreational accessibility, here's a word from our local ADA UA expert.
I'm Cindy Burkhour. I'm with Access Recreation Group, a consulting group on accessibility and universal design. I served on all the regulatory negotiation committees to write all of the recreation rules for the Americans with Disabilities Act. And I really work hard to help people understand it's a minimum standard. It's the least you can do by law to make it accessible for people with disabilities. Universal design is what you should always strive for, and that means it makes it universally accessible for people with disabilities, people without disabilities, their friends, family, whoever they're recreating with. It's above and beyond that minimum standard, because the minimum standard really is the worst you're allowed to do by law. But you have to know what's the worst before you can do better. One of the most important things about this gangway that I think really makes it universally accessible is they have solved the hinge connection problem between transition plate and the deck of the gangway. They have made that completely level, so there's no change of level, which is not allowed under ADA. The other thing is, a lot of the gangways that are out there, their infrastructure is on the inside. This one is on the outside of the walking surface. So you have a full, clear 60 inches, which is the requirement for the handrails and their support structures. And I've worked with the folks at Great Lakes Lift as a consultant for 10 years now. So it has been front of mind for them. So they understand the importance of putting it in the right way, testing all of the accessibility parts to make sure that they work properly. Other companies don't do that. They contract with somebody and they go, hey, go put this in, here's the instructions. These guys don't do that. Working with Great Lakes Lift over the years, universal accessibility, compliance with the Americans with Disabilities Act is always top of mind for that company. And they make it a priority in everything they do.
Now let's talk about the engineering behind the gangway. Each modular section is built on a box frame base with a welded aluminum subframe, creating a rigid, torsion-resistant chassis that minimizes flex. This design uses heavy-duty 5-inch by 1 3/4 rectangular tubing for high stiffness and strength, self-aligning splices, and 1/2-inch base hardware, keeping every section square and secure, while 3/8-inch handrail fasteners and torque lock nuts maintain long-term reliability. The square tube handrails are fully welded and designed to meet ADA and UA requirement guidelines, featuring a 34 to 38-inch top height, continuous graspable rail, proper returns, and edge protection for safety. Handrail assemblies are tested to 200 pounds, applied in any direction, exceeding USACE EM 385 standards for public use. Each system is engineered to handle 50 pounds per square foot for restricted access and 100 pounds per foot for public or municipalities, along with concentrated point load check, ensuring strength, safety, and compliance under all conditions. We've also carefully considered span length and deflection control. Each configuration is optimized for strength and comfort underfoot. And when a project calls for longer spans, we simply upsize the frame section to maintain rise-to-run code compliance. Connections use proprietary hinge and abutment extrusions that eliminate pinch points, simplify assembly, and are capacity matched to each gangway's maximum span. The entire system bolts together, ships flat, and can be installed quickly with standard tools, making setup and maintenance fast and cost-effective. Every gangway is constructed from marine-grade 6005 T5 aluminum with corrosion-resistant finishes and smart drainage design that shed water and isolate dissimilar metals. Paired with Sunwalk modular decking, it delivers excellent drainage, slip resistance, and low maintenance, while allowing quick replacement of any damaged panels. For municipalities and park managers, that means peace of mind. These gangways are fully ADA and UA compliant, durable enough for public use, and adaptable enough to evolve with changing site conditions, keeping projects on schedule and long-term costs low. In short, Great Lakes Lift Modular Gangway is durable, adaptable, cost-effective, and safe. Engineered with the precision of a bridge, the flexibility of a modular system, and the confidence of Great Lakes craftsmanship. It's a solution built not only for today, but the future of waterfront access.